Euro pound price just blew. It just went through it like like a hot knife in a butter. Yeah, like a hot knife in a butter. And it's a loss, no problem. So that's loss number 2 for the week. That's no problem. Okay. I think it was too quick to catch a flip trade on this one. On this candle, it was too quick to catch a flip trade on this. As soon as this went through it, the next candle started pushing higher. But once you train your eyes with this flip trade concept, you will understand and catch it very quick. So as soon as it stops you out like this, the down candle, okay, this up candle is what we are using to support price. If not, then this down candle should support price. Therefore, you flip the trade. Over time, you're going to understand it. Okay, so then as soon as this candle close, you are looking for a buy. All right, so it's a loss, but it's a loss that you learn from. It's not a loss that you just take a loss and then you leave it. It's a loss that you learn from it. Okay, so I don't really dwell much on losses because you don't want to be ingrained in your mind with losses. You want to be ingrained in your mind with wins. That's why I focus more on wins than losses. I just want losses to be like a lesson so that you will learn from it, and that's it. So once you take a loss, you learn, okay, I can flip it, or I will understand, okay, price just went through because it didn't respect this last up candle, therefore I could flip it and then go the other way, and that's it. You close it right there and then you move on. Okay, don't dwell on the loss. Okay, if not, then you'll be focusing on your loss too much, and that's not good.